Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Slam Technology Cybersecurity Training Series. We started our Cybersecurity 1 modules. We said we have 16 modules, and out of the 16, we covered the first module. Let's look into the second module and see what it entails. In today's module, which is module 2, we will dive into IP addressing, subnetting, and networking protocols. These are the building blocks for all digital communications, so you can never do without these building blocks. So let's begin with IP addressing. Think of an IP address like a home address for your devices on a network. Every device, whether it's a smartphone or printer or your TV or server, needs a unique IP addressing to send and receive data. There are two categories of IP addressing. We have the IPv4 and IPv6. IPv4 goes up to 32 bits, and then IPv6 goes up to 128 bits, allowing for a virtually unlimited number of unique addresses to be connected to that. And then, so the next up we have is going to be our subnetting. So subnetting is a method to divide larger network into smaller, for more manageable pieces. Why do we have to do this? Because it improves security, enhances performance, and makes network management more efficient. And that is one of the key areas that we push ourselves. So subnetting uses something that we call subnet mask, right, to identify the network and the host portions of an IP addresses. For example, when we do /24, like the first one, you see CIDR notation example 192.168.10.0.0/24. It means that there are 255 devices that is hosted in that subnet, and that is where we look into that. So now let's touch on the key protocols. So there are rules of engagement for network communication. At the heart of it all, TCP suite, which governs how data is packaged, addressed, transmitted, and received, all information. This is very important, and they include the DNSs, the DHCPs, the HTTP, the ICMP in that respect. Now, when it comes to the hands-on aspects, it includes labs. We will do a lot of hands-on building Wireshark, Cisco packet tracers to build these things. And for the most part, we do a lot when it comes to hands-on. And then we master all the IP addressing, subnetting, and all of that. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure to like, subscribe, and join us in the next model where we explore remote access monitoring and network operations. Invite somebody to also enjoy this. Thank you so much.